Hello everyone, welcome back to Vector Labs FZEEE. As you know that we have created login sign up page in our recent videos. If you didn't watch the video, you can watch the video using the link given in the description. In this tutorial, we are going to create a name generator app in which we can create random words, add them to favorites, and if we don't like the word, we can skip that using the next button. And then go to favorites, we can delete them one by one. So let's start our tutorial. Go to Windows PowerShell, create a folder for the app. Open VS Code, open the generated folder, go to library and main dot. I have deleted the original script of main dot and pasted the new script. You can write it using keyboard from the screen, same as in analysis options.yaml and pubspec.yaml. You can see that our test dart is showing some problems. Go to widget test dart and write the script. Now I will explain main dart script. Void main is the original code. Then I have created class myapp stateless widget. In override section, create return change notifier provider. Then create context myapp state and add a child material app. Then we will add a title for the app name generator app and add theme data and select the color scheme of the page. I have selected blue color, but you can change the color of the screen. We have to create the word in pair form. For this, create variable current and history and add word pair.random. It will create the words randomly. When we click the button next, we can also view the history of the words. For it, create global key, history list key, and add void get next. By clicking the next button, a new word will be generated randomly, and if we like the word, we can add it to favorites. Otherwise, we can skip the word and move to the next word. To add the word to favorites, here is a script favorites equal to word pair. For it, add a void toggle favorite. If we don't click the like button, it will not be added to our favorites. By using the script, if favorites dot contains pair, favorites dot remove pair, and if we click the like button, it will add it to our favorites dot add pair. And if we want to delete the pair, we will click the like button twice. First it will add the word to favorites, then it will remove the word. Now create my home page, which will create the words randomly, and we can add them to favorites. Make it a stateful widget and select its index. Selected index is equal to 0. Then add a variable color scheme, and you can also see the cases 0 and 1. 0 is selected for home page and 1 for favorites page. Now add a colored box for main area in which our words will be created. For that, create a variable main area is equal to colored box and write the script. Then add a return scaffold and layout builder, and add a column to it. Then create children and add a surface area bottom navigator bar. In the navigation bar, we will create two icons, home and favorites. Add icon and label home, and then add icon and label favorites. Now we will manage our generator page. Make it a stateless widget and add variables app state and pair. Then add icon data for favorites. If we are on the home page, favorite icon will be filled, and if we click the favorites icon, it will be filled with some color. To make a history of our words, either select it to favorites or not. Add a return center and make a column. Add main axis alignment dot center to place the history in the center of our page. Then add child history list view and add a side box of height 10 and add a big card pair for the word. Then add a size box height 10 and add a row. This row will manage our icons like and next. First add a icon elevated button dot icon. When we place the icon favorites, it will add the word to favorites and add a label text like for this. Then add a size box of width 10 and add elevated button for next. Add a child text next and a spacer of flex 2. Now add a class big card of stateless widget. It will manage the word in pair. Add variable theme and style, which will follow the color as we have selected in the start of main dot. Then add a return card and add a padding to it. As the word is in pair form, first part will have the font weight of 200 and the last part will be bold. Now make a favorites page and extend it stateless widget and add variable theme and app state. If we have not added any word to favorites and open the favorites icon, it will show no favorites yet. You can also change the line accordingly. And if you have added some words to the favorites list, you can open the favorites and first you will see you have some favorites 1, 2, 3, as many as you have selected. Then add a view mode for the selected words, either list view or grid view. And if you want to delete the selected words which will follow our primary color, you can also change the color by changing the color scheme script. When we will press the delete icon, it will remove the specific word from our favorites. Now manage the history list view. As we skip the word, it will go to our history and it will be getting fade gradually. Choose a color for it. I have selected transparent color and black color. Now go to test dot. It will test either our script is right or not. Go to analysis options. It will give us some instructions. If we want to print the screen, select avoid print row, but I have selected false, and there are some other instructions. I have selected them false, except unnecessary breaks selected to true. Now go to pubspec.yaml. This shows the information of our app. As you can see that name of our app is name generator app and description new Flutter project and its version 0.0.1+1 and environment dependencies and Flutter. Now go to run and start debugging. It will automatically open in Chrome. You can see that it can be operated in mobile view as well as desktop view. If we change its size, you can see that navigation bar is in side view in desktop and bottom view in the mobile. You can add the word to favorites by clicking the like button. And if you want to skip the word, click next button. If you missed out any word, go back to history, select or deselect the word. And if you want to review your favorites list, go to favorites and delete junk words. So you have a concise list of 5 words in your favorites. You can go to home and select new words. If you find the video helpful, like and subscribe our channel and press bell icon to get new updates immediately. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section, and if you want to develop your apps by us, you can contact us on LinkedIn, Vector Labs FZELLC. You can also copy the scripts from GitHub, link given in the description. See you in the next video. Bye bye.